thing works. We are currently at 12,000 market cap, guys. This might go crazy. We are currently at 12,000 market cap. Well, do it. We are currently at 13,000 market cap now, guys. I will let you know. Line, guys. We are currently at 15,000, guys. Hello guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing very well today. This is video number 2 for this week. I've already dropped a video this week. If you have not seen it, guys, after watching this video, go catch up on that video where I explained about what is happening in the crypto space right now. And it's not just all doom and gloom. But today, like I already explained in that video, I promised that I'm going to create a video now to create meme tokens. And yeah, we are here with Pump.fun, and we are going to be looking into Pump.fun today. So guys, stay with me as we progress. If you are seeing our video for the first time, guys, smash that subscribe button. We have loads of content you will love to see. It's a great community. You're welcome. You're welcome. So without any further ado, guys, let's jump right into it. I'd like to clarify that this is not sponsored hard by Pump.fun. Neither is it sponsored by the company itself. But this video is surely sponsored by the like button. So guys, smash that like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible. Let's stimulate the algorithm so that people can watch this video. Also, I would like to clarify again that this is just for educational purpose. And if you guys watch this video and this video actually do well, I'm going to deep dive into how to actually create your own community and every other details that is all around creating your own meme token and being successful with it. But yeah, without wasting more time on that, I want to give you a bit of background on what Pump.fun is all about. Pump.fun is a platform that was launched on January 2024 that enables users to create and trade their own meme coins without requiring any technical expertise. Operating primarily on the Solana blockchain, it also offers a user-friendly interface. Like you can see, it is very easy to navigate. It's not cumbersome, very straightforward, and where individuals can design and deploy their own tokens without much revenue. Like you can create your own token without a lot of money, like we used to do in those days. Like with a minimal of 0.2 SOL, that's about $3 or thereabouts, you will be able to create your own meme token. So you do not require a lot of money to create your own token on Pump.fun. The platform also employs a bonding curve mechanism through algorithm adjusts token prices based on supply and demand dynamics. The approach ensures liquidity and facilitates fair trading by automatically setting token prices as the supply changes. Also, since their inception, Pump.fun has seen creations of zillions, gazillions of unique tokens, generating substantial revenue and becoming a significant player in the meme coin market. However, the platform has also faced some challenges, including a high failure rate of tokens. We can say that almost 98.5% of all tokens created do not get listed on decentralized exchanges like Radium, and there are controversies related to its now disabled live stream, because they used to have a live stream where you can actually live stream and discuss your project with your community, and that was kind of fun while it lasted, right? Because people actually they do that with they misuse it and that caused a lot of fuse then, right? And despite these issues, Pump.fun has significantly lowered the barriers to entry for meme coin creation, democratizing access to cryptocurrency markets and fostering a new wave of digital assets innovation. Yeah, like you can see, lots of things are being listed every day, every second rather. You can see people are launching token almost every second. But yeah, like I've just said, the entry barrier is very low, and you can just create your own token without much ado. And that is exactly where we are here today, on how to create your own token on Pump.fun. So like you see, the first thing you need to do is to first of all go to Pump.fun, and immediately we take you to Pump.fun/board, which is your dashboard. Then you need to connect your wallet. As you can see, I've connected my own wallet here. You can easily view my own profile. You see, this is my profile. I can view my profile and you will see the balance. Like you see, I have 0.02 SOL here. That's about $4, which I'm going to be using to create the token. So you can see it is straightforward. Just connect your wallet and then you are in sync. Maybe I should try that again. Let me disconnect the wallet. This is me disconnecting my wallet, and then let's connect again. So when you're coming in, this is the page you're going to see. So you click on connect wallet, connecting my Phantom wallet. Phantom is more preferable because it's much easier for you to navigate that. So this is me confirming yes, and then let's see. So now you are connected to your wallet, and then you are very much ready to go. The first thing you need to do is to click on start a new coin. So you click on start a new coin. It's going to bring you to this page where you can fill the details of the name of your token or your meme coin that you are about to launch. Let's call this meme token let's say egg. That's the name of the meme token. And the ticker will be T3. Okay, description, you can just say that just okay. And then for the image, just let me see what image I can put here. Let's use one of these images I created on the channel. Yeah, so guys, this is just for educational purpose. Like I said, I don't expect you to go on Pump.fun to go and buy these. Okay, that's why I'm not going to be putting a lot of money to create this token, because I'll be hard to actually, add my own money. But this is as straightforward as it comes. And if you click on show more, it's going to take you to other places where you can add a Telegram link, you can add website link if you have website, if you have Twitter, you can add a Twitter link. But I'm not going to add all that because I'm just showing you how to create your own token on Pump.fun. Yeah, so as you can see here, they say that coin data cannot be changed after creation. That means you cannot change any of this data after you've created it. There is a way you can update it, but that's for other videos. Then they said when your coin completes its bonding curve, you receive 0.5 SOL. Now, as the creator of your own meme token, if you are able to market your token to a level where it actually completes its bonding curve, which we are going to see how this is done, then you will receive 0.5 SOL as a reward. Now, all we need to do now is click on create your coin. And as you can see, they said choose how many T3, that is the name of the token, you want to buy, and it is optional, right? It is optional. And then they said the tip is it's optional, but buying a small amount of coin helps protect your coin from snipers, because there are a lot of snipers in this system, and the moment you create your token, there are bots waiting to buy and sell immediately. So it's a fish eat fish. I like to call it that way. There is this adage in my locality where we say fish eat fish. So it's a whales system where you can get robbed of your token. So you have to buy some of them and keep for yourself in case of these snipers can just come and buy a whole lot of it, and then they dominate the token, and before you know what is happening, they will dump and then they will run away. So, but in this case, I'm not looking to actually do that. So let me say I'm buying 0. Said it is optional, so I can choose to do that or not. Let's say 0.01. So I'll be receiving this amount of T3. That's the meme token we are creating. I'll verify that I am human, and then that is successful, and I'll create my token. So now it is creating the token. Let's see. It's taking a bit of time. It said could not trade because I have insufficient fund. Okay, I will do that again. Okay, so here we go again. Here we go. After filling all this information that we filled, let's create our token. And then let me say I'm buying with 0.000001. Let's see. So I'll be buying about 5,000 plus T3. And I'll find my humanity and create this, how this works. Okay. Yeah. So it's loading the transaction. Then all you need to do here is just click on the confirm. As you can see, I'm going to be charged 0.02222229 SOL, and then my token has been created. So let's check it out. We'll just go to my then coin held. Let's take a look. I want to view created coin, and this is it. It has been created. And then let's take a look at the page and see if people are actually buying T3, right? So this is how it is done. The token is created and it's just straightforward. It's not cumbersome. As you can see, the T3 is live. This is the bonding curve. The bonding curve is about 1%, and as you can see, our token is created. This is our chart. I have about 1% of my bonding curve, and if I can complete this bonding curve, then I'll be moving, the token will be moved rather to Radium. And the bonding curve is quite very easy. So graduate this coin to Radium at 83,000 market cap, right? There is 0.062 SOL on the bonding curve. So the king of being high progress, they thrown the current king at 40,000. So the current king is at 40,000 market cap. If I can hit that, then I'll be defeating the king. I think someone bought this, and this is what I talk about, the snipers, because the price dropped down a bit from 0.02. Okay, it's still 0.028, or maybe Solana went up, kind of. So the market cap is currently 5,569. It was created 2 minutes ago, and then someone bought, another person bought. So this is it. This is what I'm talking about. This is it. As you can see, my bonding curve did what? It moved up to 36%. And that's how crazy these things works, right? This is how crazy these things work. If the funny thing is, these things are bots. I am very sure that this is a bot. This is actually a bot. And if you check my market cap right now, the market cap is at 9,485. Don't forget that the market cap earlier was at 5,000 plus, right? And now we are at 9,000. So someone bought almost 4,000. Another person bought, you see, someone bought with, another person bought. And before you know what is happening, this token will be going massively crazy, right? This, you see, we are 10,000 bonding curve now. And this is how crazy you can, more people are buying, guys. More people are buying. This is how you can create a token. But the truth is, the problem with this thing is that people might dump it as well. I hope I can actually do a live session of this and show you guys how this thing works. We are currently at 12,000 market cap, guys. This might go crazy. We are currently at 12,000 market cap. Well, the fear factor here for me is I wouldn't have mind to either hold of some sort. But the problem is that these guys are going to sell because these are bots. I can assure you guys, these are bots buying the token. But yeah, I'll give you a feedback on how this experiment goes. But this is as simple as you can create your own token, your own name token. And before you know what is happening, you are doing crazy numbers out there. And if you're lucky enough, you do your marketing right, I'm going to do a video on that if you guys want me to do it. We're currently at 13,000 market cap now, guys. I will let you know. But if you've watched this video this long, guys, thank you for watching. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible, and smash the subscribe button if you are not part of this community yet. We have amazing things coming down the line, guys. We are currently at 15,000, guys. We have amazing stuff coming on this channel. So guys, smash the subscribe button, join the community. We have loads of videos you will love to see. And yeah, That's it from me, guys. Let's share this video everywhere. Let people see how to create their own token on Pump.fun. And all right, so I'm surely going to show you guys how to set up much more things for your meme token. If you guys watch this video a lot, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this, right? So big up your damn selves, guys. Big up your damn selves. I'll give you an update on how this goes. I can also watch it live. I will drop I don't want to drop the CA in the description, but if you guys want me to drop it, I'm going to drop it, because I'm not selling any of the token I have actually bought, which is very minimal. You see, someone have sold, and I will let you know how this goes in the next video. Big up yourself, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next episode.